But 40% of the business community in Isli are from my constituency. 100% of the business community in Isli are Kenyans, they're from my community. I will defend them, not today, 100 years to come. I have no apology to make, number one, and finally, there are three things I have no apology about.
Yes.
I am a Kenyan and I have no apology. I am a Muslim and I have no apology. I am a Somali by tribe and I have no apology. Those are my three principles. I will fight for Kenyans, I will fight for the Muslim community, I will fight for the Somali community. At all times, and I'll repeat it here.
Yes.
I will defend the people of this country.
All right, there we have it. You said you are not refugees in this country. 70% of this country, northeastern, belongs to you. There are no Somalis in Uganda. Somalis do not live in Tanzania. But Ethiopia, Djibouti, Somalia, and Kenya belong to us. You didn't say that, did you? Did you say that?
Oh, let me tell you, exactly I said that. And that is a fact. I'll repeat it here now. That's a fact. Somalis are not indigenous people in Uganda.
So you are not misquoted by our reporters?
On that one, yes. Yes, on that one.
Were you misquoted?
On that one, if you allow me.
Yes.
And I want to follow on that, what I said.
Yes.
I'll repeat it here.
Yes.
Somalis are not indigenous in Tanzania. They are not indigenous in Uganda. They are indigenous and they live a region in Ethiopia called Region 5.
Yes. All right. We shall move on also and we try and see what you continue to say. Right?
If you allow me to finish.
Yes, please.
They are not indigenous in Tanzania, in Uganda. They are not indigenous in Rwanda, but they occupy a region in Ethiopia. They are in Djibouti. They occupy a region in Kenya. So we are not indigenous. I mean, we are not immigrants in Kenya. That is the context in which I said.
All right. Then they went on and said 20 or 30 years ago, we used to be called shifter.
Absolutely.
Today's Somali woman is Kenya. A Somali woman is Kenya's foreign affairs minister.
Absolutely.
All right. 40%. So were you misquoted also on this?
Absolutely. Let me tell you. I am talking about the translation, if you allow me. And you can translate a whole script and leave the last bit. I have no, absolutely. 20 years ago, under the leadership of the first president, the famous Shifter War, we came a long history. The history of the Somali community in this country is long, bumpy, but today, the Somali community is a serious, integral part of the Kenyan society, both in the private sector, in the public sector, in the universities, in everywhere.
All right.